What if the job you're working today disappears in the next 5 years? What if the biggest job loss in history isn't caused by a crisis, but by technology? And what if artificial intelligence isn't coming for the future, but is already reshaping the present? Part 1. The shift you can't see. For decades, technology has changed how we work. Machines replaced manual labor. Computers replaced paperwork. But something fundamentally different is happening now. Artificial intelligence is not just assisting humans, it is beginning to replicate human thinking. It can write reports, analyze data, generate ideas, and it does all of this faster and at scale. Unlike previous technological changes, this shift is not visible. There are no factories shutting down overnight, no obvious signs of disruption. Instead, the change is happening quietly, inside software systems. A company reduces its workforce by 10%. Another automates entire departments. And from the outside, everything still looks normal. But beneath the surface, the structure of work is changing. If your job could be done faster and cheaper by software, how long would it last? Part 2. What AI can already do. Today's AI is not theoretical. It is already capable of performing tasks that once required skilled professionals. It can write articles, generate code, and design visuals. It can analyze legal documents in seconds, assist doctors in diagnosing diseases, handle customer interactions without human support. This is not about replacing one job at a time. It's about replacing tasks. And when enough tasks disappear, entire roles begin to fade. A single AI system can now do the work of multiple employees. And for businesses, the decision becomes simple. Higher efficiency, lower cost, faster output. But what does that mean for workers? If one system can replace 5 people, what happens to the other 4? Part 3. A global workforce reset. This transformation is happening across the world. In the United States, AI is reshaping finance, logistics, and customer service. In Canada and Australia, administrative and technical roles are evolving rapidly. In Brazil and other growing economies, digital systems are accelerating workforce changes. No country is isolated from this shift because the modern economy is connected. A change in one region affects opportunities in another. Remote work, global outsourcing, and digital platforms mean that jobs are no longer tied to location. They are tied to efficiency. And AI is becoming the most efficient tool available. This creates a new kind of competition, not just between people, but between people and systems. Are you competing with other humans or with machines that never stop working? Part 4. The jobs that will change and the ones that won't. Not all jobs are equally vulnerable. Roles that depend on repetition are at the highest risk. Data entry, basic accounting, customer support, routine analysis. These tasks follow patterns, and AI is built to recognize patterns. But the impact goes deeper. Even creative and professional roles are being affected. Content creation, marketing, software development. AI is not replacing creativity, but it is changing how creativity works. At the same time, some roles remain difficult to automate. Jobs that require human judgment, emotional intelligence, and real-world interaction. Healthcare professionals, educators, skilled technicians. These roles involve complexity that machines still struggle to replicate. But even these jobs are being reshaped. Doctors now use AI for diagnostics. Teachers use AI tools for personalized learning. The future is not about replacement, it is about transformation. Is your job based on repetition or on human connection and decision-making? Part 5. The future belongs to the adaptable. The biggest impact of AI is not job loss, it is change. The people who adapt will find new opportunities. The people who resist change may struggle. New roles are already emerging. AI specialists, data analysts, cybersecurity experts. But beyond technical skills, something more important is rising. The ability to learn, the ability to adapt, the ability to work alongside intelligent systems. The future workforce will not be defined by a single skill. It will be defined by flexibility. Because in a world where technology evolves rapidly, static skills become outdated, but adaptable people remain valuable. The AI revolution is not just a technological shift, it is a human challenge. And it raises a final question. Will you adapt before the change reaches you, or after it's too late? The AI job crisis is not a future event. It is already happening. Quietly, rapidly, globally. Some jobs will disappear, others will evolve. New ones will emerge. But one thing is certain, the way we work will never be the same again.